Hello everyone and welcome to the channel.
Today we're going to be checking out and unboxing the Ninja Foodi Max Pro Health Grill with flat plate and air fryer function.
Without any further ado, let's get into it.
Okay, let's get straight into the unboxing. So here it is, the Ninja Foodi Max Pro Health Grill flat plate and air fryer. Now before we check out what's in the box, let's have a look what's on the box. So here we have a picture of the Ninja Foodi Max Pro. It's a 2460 watt grill with a hinged lid. It's got a powered non-stick ceramic coated plate. The flat plate is also non-stick, and then it also comes with a crisper basket with a 3.8 litre capacity. Comes with a digital cooking probe and a chef-created recipe guide. And then let's flip the box. Okay, then on this side it shows you the flat plate as well as the grill again and all the different functions. Cooks 4 to 6 portions, dishwasher safe. Now I'm assuming that means the plate and the crisper basket, not the grill. You don't just put the grill in the dishwasher. And then over here we've got the smart cook system with the probe, so that is going to help you select how you want your meat cooked. And then you got the powered grill plate, which is made for high heat searing, and the flat plate, which is made for searing and sauteing. No need to flip, so it's got a no flip grilling technology which circulates temperatures up to 260 degrees for quick and even cooking. And then you've got all the functions down the bottom with grill, flat plate, air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate and reheat. Now I wouldn't really call flat plate a function, but there you go. Right, let's get straight into opening this bad boy up. Oh, so first thing here, all the accessories that you can get for your grill. You've got a vegetable tray, a loaf tin, a grill basket, a brush, and a griddle cup, which is good for cooking eggs or mini frittatas. Oh, and kebab skewers. First things first, we've got our little envelope. There we are, the Ninja Foodi Max Pro Health Grill Flat Plate Air Fryer Quick Start Recipe Guide. If you've seen any of our other videos or if you've bought any Ninja products yourself, you'll know that the Quick Start Guide is going to give you loads and loads of recipes that you can cook in your appliance. So, I mean, here we've got the grilled breakfast. It's telling you that you'll need the flat plate and the grill plate. Chicken fajitas, again, you need the grill and the flat plate for that one. So yeah, this is a good little book. They're really helpful. Boring safety stuff. Then we've got the instructions here. You might actually want to read through that. It's up to you. And then we've got the main unit. So let's get this cardboard out of the way. Oh, no. It's not the main unit. It's the grill plate and the flat plate. I wasn't expecting that. Okay. So the grill plate and the flat plate are actually a 2-in-1. I didn't know that. I thought they were both separate. So yeah, it flips. You got the flat plate one side and you got the grill on the other. Now let's get the beast out. And then we've got, what is this? Oh, I've just realized that I'm a bit of an idiot. So the flat plate is not a 2-in-1, it's just a flat plate. This is the grill plate. So I don't know what I was thinking before with the flat plate, but yeah, this is the grill plate and that's the flat plate. Wow, I haven't even got out of the box yet and I can tell this is a beast. There you go, there it is. The Ninja Foodi Max Pro Health Grill. A little bit dusty. A couple of stickers on there, let's get them off. A couple of stickers on the front as well. The importance of testing meats and fish. Then down the bottom, you've got the smart cook system, manual, preset mode, and cook level. And then you've got the dial here for changing your function. And then you've got the preheat function there. Now, I don't know if any of you own the Ninja Woodfire Grill, but this does actually look quite similar to that. Obviously, without the wood pellets box on the side. So, lift it up. Whoa, more goodies inside. So this is going to be the crisper basket, I'm assuming. But I have been mistaken in the past, so the grill plate and the flat plate are actually a 2-in-1. I didn't know that. I thought they were both separate. Hey, I'm actually right for once. So yeah, crisper basket inside. That was 3.8 litres, I believe. So pretty decent size if you want to cook a big batch of potatoes or vegetables. What else have we got? Just more cardboard. Now, I'm a bit confused. I'm gonna have to do a bit of investigation here because I know it said it came with a probe, but I can't see it yet. So Maria's just pointed out that it's on the side, right here where it says temperature probe. Funny that. So there it is. Again, I don't know if any of you guys own the Ninja 15-in-1 cooker, but that also comes with a probe that looks just like this, and it's really good if you want to cook your food with no fuss. You can put it on presets and it does all the thinking for you. And if you want to see the 15-in-1 in action, click the link above to see us cooking a lamb roast. Open it up again, and we're going to slide, well, first remove the sticker. So with a little bit of pushing and clicking, the grill plate's in there, and now we're going to put it to the test and we're going to cook up some Wagyu steak strips. Okay, so we've got our Wagyu steak strips here. I'm going to give them a little bit of salt and pepper. Don't need any other seasonings on steak in my opinion. And then we're going to let that get to sort of room temperature while we preheat the grill. So now we're going to turn the grill on. We're going to select grill, it's already on grill, and then we're going to hit start and it's going to begin its preheat process. Once the preheating is done, we'll add our steak to the grill plate and we will see how it goes. So the preheating's finished and it's now saying to add food, and the preheating only took 4 minutes, which is pretty good. So now we're going to open the lid and we're going to add our steak. Now I'm thinking of doing maybe 1 minute aside on these steak strips because they are quite thin. So here we go. Adding the strips, and I'm hoping for good results here, not just because it's Ninja, but also these strips are Wagyu, straight from the butcher. So I'm holding very high hopes for these strips. I think that'll do for now. I'm going to leave the grill open as well, because in the instructions it did actually recommend that. Right, let's have a look. The other side. Might have to cook them a little bit longer if you want that nice char grilled effect on the steak, but they are coming along quite nicely. It's not sticking at all, which is also a real big plus for me, considering we haven't added any oil as well, and it's actually not smoking the kitchen out really whatsoever. I mean, normally when we cook a steak, we'll use our cast iron griddle plate, and the smoke that bellows out in the kitchen is crazy. And I guess it's really a question of how you like your steak, because me personally, I'd say that's enough cooking time now, whereas other people, they might want to leave their steak on there and get that real nice char grill effect. But I'm going to whack these off now, get them on our plate, and then once we've cooked the rest of the steak strips, we're going to do a little taste test. Oh, I really like Wagyu.
And there you have it. That was us checking out the Ninja Foodi Max Pro Health Grill. If you're interested in purchasing one, don't forget to check out the link in the description box.
Or if you're looking for something a little bit different, still in the air fryer category, then check out this video that we did on the Ninja Crispy.
Thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you in the next one.